Welcome to our YouTube video where we delve into the changes in the global crude oil and products oil shipping markets since the Russia-Ukraine conflict in 2022. Let's explore the emergence of the shadow fleet, shifts in maritime trade flows, and the evolving landscape of physical oil trading markets. To start, the Russia-Ukraine conflict in 2022 triggered significant changes in the global oil shipping markets. With sanctions imposed on Russia, the traditional routes and methods of oil transportation were disrupted, leading to the emergence of what's known as the shadow fleet. The shadow fleet comprises vessels that operate outside of traditional shipping routes and regulations, often evading sanctions. These vessels transport oil and oil products to destinations that may not be accessible through mainstream channels. In the wake of the conflict, there have been notable shifts in crude oil and products maritime trade flows. Russia, facing sanctions, has rerouted its oil and gas products away from Europe towards Asia. Additionally, diesel cargoes have been redirected to destinations like Brazil. The physical oil trading markets are essentially splitting into two markets: the shadow-sanctioned oil market and the mainstream market. The shadow market operates outside of traditional regulations and often involves transactions that circumvent sanctions. In response to sanctions, Russia has begun selling its oil outside of the dollar, opting for transactions in currencies like the yuan. Other countries have also started exploring alternative currencies for oil transactions, potentially diminishing the dominance of the US dollar in global trade. The trend of selling oil in alternative currencies could have significant implications for the US dollar in the future. If this trend continues, it may weaken the dollar's status as the primary currency for international trade and reserve. In conclusion, the Russia-Ukraine conflict has led to profound changes in the global crude oil and products oil shipping markets. From the emergence of the shadow fleet to shifts in trade flows and the adoption of alternative currencies, the landscape of oil trading is undergoing a fundamental transformation with far-reaching implications.